6.5 gallon metal barrel with a 40 lb capacity. Includes Pro Hunter 2 feeder kit. Pro Hunter 2 feeder kit includes metal spin plate, adjustable funnel, ABS plastic housing, feed level estimator, battery indicator and external power port. Digital timer programs up to 10 feed times per day, 1 to 60 seconds long. Quick lock adapter mounts to any barrel or hopper. 1 6-volt battery required. The simplicity of use that comes with a hanging 6.5 gallon feeder and the advanced features of our directional feeder combine for unmatched versatility and value. The new heir to our popular 6.5 gallon feedcaster and Economy Plus feeders, the directional feeder offers game feeder capabilities well beyond its modest price. A new spinner plate with agitator and exclusive anti-clog technology bring a new level of reliability to multiple feed types. Feeder casts in one direction. Schedule up to 6 daily feed times with programmable timer. Operates on 1 6-volt battery, not included. Top reviews from the United States. Works as it's supposed to. I give this 5 stars in its category as an inexpensive portable feeder. I've had it several months now and it works like it's supposed to. I use it to feed catfish in my pond, set to throw a few seconds morning and evening. It throws maybe 15 feet in about a 30-degree arc and has been reliable. No jams and feed drops into the spinner with no problems. But then, we don't let the feed get too low. Still working on original battery charge. Top fits well, unlike comments from other reviewers. Maybe Moultrie redesigned it? I have it hanging from a roof support beam on a covered dock and so far it hasn't been bothered by raccoons or other critters.